Okay, I carry a folding utility knife every day with me at work. It is my tool I use more than anything. I'm always cutting stuff open and opening boxes and breaking boxes down. Sometimes the utility knife gets a little bulky in your pocket. So this is pretty cool. This is a folding utility knife. And just right off the bat here, this is a metal frame. Now, Arrow's been around since like 1929. Locks in place. There's your frame lock on the inside. One-handed, you can close it. One-handed, you can open it. A good size, you can get a great grip on this thing, but it will fold up and disappear a little more readily in your pocket. Lanyard hole, belt or pocket clip. You can remove it, which is good. This is rubberized right here, so you can get a little bit of a grip on it. I like that. How do we take the blade out? Push the button, remove the blade. That is very easy. It's got a wire stripper notch there. Yeah, lots of good grip all over this thing. It's a pretty decent feeling little pocket utility knife. And they're giving us something extra in the box here. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, look at that. More blades. Well, that's a really neat way to do it. What a cool little blade dispenser. I like that a lot. Okay, this is a great little kit. If you or somebody you love uses a box cutter all the time, you can never have too many. Let me just put it that way.